guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today we are testing out the new e.l.f. foundation. This is the Soft Glam Satin foundation. I just picked this up at Walmart yesterday and now we're gonna test it out. So if you're interested to see how this works on me, then just keep watching this video. So I got mine in the shade 11 Fair Neutral. I think it's like the second lightest shade. Hopefully it's gonna be a pretty good match for me. I am gonna do like mostly a full face of e.l.f. Currently I have a Blend Bunny eyeshadow on, and then the only other thing is the CoverGirl primer. It's my #1 primer and I want to prime my skin the way I normally would. That way it gives the foundation the best chance. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I am just gonna put some on the back of my hand. We're gonna start with this much. It is pretty thick. And it seems like it might be a little light for me. I'm just taking an Eco Tool sponge. I was gonna use an e.l.f. sponge, but both of them are dirty, so. I think I may want like a little bit more coverage since I am doing like a bit of a dramatic eye look today. We got like a little bit more. It is definitely a little light for me. I don't really think this is the shade I would typically go for. Like, it's not bad, but you can tell like it is a little light. Like, I typically would definitely probably go like a shade darker. This is a little bit light. Now I'm gonna see, so far so good. I feel like it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup and see how that applies on top of it, and I'll be right back. I did a soft glam look today to like match the name of the foundation, and I totally get why it's called soft glam. I feel like it's the perfect foundation for this makeup look. I think I will like this foundation a lot more in like the winter. I definitely don't think this is about to be my new favorite summer foundation. It does feel like pretty good coverage. Once everything else was blended into it, it feels definitely like almost a full coverage foundation to me. It says medium buildable, but I could definitely see this being a really good foundation for like winter time. I also feel like it might be my only foundation that's like satin finish, and I'm not usually big into like satin finishes, but I do think it looks really, really nice. I forget how much this foundation is. I'll put it on the screen, and I probably already will have put it on the screen before this. I'll also link this foundation down below in the description in case you want it. I love e.l.f. You guys know that e.l.f. is like one of my favorite makeup brands of all time. You know, I'm wearing almost a full face of e.l.f. right now. Love e.l.f. so much. Their products rarely disappoint me, and this definitely doesn't disappoint me. I wouldn't say I'm the target audience for this foundation, but it is a really nice like full coverage foundation if I'm looking for one. I have to say I'm not often looking for full coverage foundation. I prefer like a more natural dewy look. Even with full glam, I often don't love this, but it feels really light on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy. It's not cakey at all. Like, my skin looks wonderful right now. I think it looks great. I think my makeup looks wonderful today. I'm very excited. I think I look very, very cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate that. And have any of you tried this foundation? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Please let me know down below. I do love the packaging a lot. It kind of matches my earrings. It's like almost a rose gold. Like, the packaging is honestly so cute. I also don't know if this is supposed to dupe something. I might have to look into that and see if like it's supposed to dupe a foundation, but it doesn't remind me of any foundations I have. It does feel like kind of like a unique thing. All right, that is all for me today. I do post new videos every single week, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays, and I try to post shorts on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!